Hello YouTube, this is part 3 of my 2025 firework pickup from Wisconsin Discount Fireworks. We got 49 shot straight brocade tail to gold pine with red, green, blue by Wizard. You got a case of 62mm white strobe. We got, I'll go around the other side. Yeah, this is better lighting. 45 shots, eject gold crown to white strobe tip, red strobe blue mine, 30 shot S-shape red strobe tail to crackling. We got 3 more cases of the instant fire red tail to brocade crown. 1 more for the 81 shot. Shiki, neon color dahlia, gold chrysanthemum, blue tail, neon glittering tail, the white strobe, and red falling leaves. A slice cake, purple dahlia with white strobe mine. And then to finish it off, we have 4 cases of 100 shot Thunder Kings. These are the slow version, 28-30 seconds a piece. But that is everything that I picked up in this carload. This is the previous carload plus some 62s I took off the shelf. Here's the first one minus the slices. All of my slices are on the table right now. But that's the end of this YouTube video. See you in the next one.